Today's video I will show you how to upgrade hard drive to SSD without installing again the operating system. Remove the backup cover of your laptop, it depends on your model, and locate the hard drive or SSD that you want to replace. Remove the screw cover of your hard drive or SSD, it depends on your model of your laptop. This hard drive is already clone of the old hard drive operating system. You can switch it already without problem. Remove the old cover of hard drive and transfer to a new SSD and put it in. Put it back the cover that you removed and screw it right and tight. Check the BIOS if the SSD is working. That's all and thank you.